American Earth imaging company Planet Labs has committed to releasing $60 million worth of its satellite imagery for the global community. This philanthropic move has been recognized as the largest investment of geospatial imagery ever. It will be a valuable asset in meeting the Sustainable Development Goals, which were recently ratified during the 70th session of the United Nations. Planet Lab plans to make the imagery available through a new initiative called Open Regions, and it will be accessible online through their imaging platform. The imagery will be used to monitor deforestation, measure and combat climate change, and increase food security through increased crop yield among countless other applications.
The market for automotive navigation software, data and location-based services is shifting as original equipment manufacturers focus on bringing a mix of connected navigation experiences for drivers and using location data for advanced driver assistance systems and enabling self-driving cars. The Strategy Analytics Automotive Infotainment and Telematics Service report forecast an increasing number of shipments between 2013 and 2022 globally with a CAGR of 13%. Companies like Here, TomTom, and tire supplier Continental are developing variations on highly precise maps for advanced driver assistance systems or ADAS and autonomous driving. It is believed that the market for navigation will continue to grow due to reasons like new use cases where embedded maps are used for ADAS and enabling self-driving cars and lower cost embedded navigation solutions. The commercial arm of ISRO, Antrix Corporation, announced that India would be launching 23 foreign satellites. Out of the 23 satellites, 2 will go in 2 separate rockets and the rest 21 will piggyback on bigger Indian satellite. There would be 6 Singapore satellites and the biggest among the 6 is an Earth observation satellite weighing 410 kgs. According to Antrix Corporation, ISRO will be launching 5 small satellites from the US as a piggyback luggage. Till date, India has launched 51 foreign satellites for a fee. Topcon GBN Ireland has added a new unmanned aerial system or UAS to its product range. The Falcon 8 has been created to offer a versatile system that is capable of both inspection and survey tasks in challenging environments. With its rotary wing system and robust design, the UAS can take off and land in almost any location and is fully operational in extreme weather conditions. With 2 models available, the GeoExpert and the Inspection PRO, the Falcon 8 can be used for a wide range of applications including geodata capture, agricultural projects, and structural inspection and monitoring. A series of satellite images has given the clue that North Korea is preparing for another nuclear test. New activity was detected at the Punggye-ri test site where several large vehicles were parked near the tunnel entrance. They also detected new activity at the southern portal where an existing tunnel has been widened and graded. There is a widespread speculation that North Korea will mark the 70th anniversary of the Workers' Party on October 10th with either a missile launch or a nuclear test. If North Korea opts to detonate a nuclear device, it would mark the 4th test in its history. The impoverished country believes nuclear armament is a key deterrent against external foes, most notably the US.